The Yamaha Virago may have not reached the same level of fame as some of Iwata's more popular models, but it has reached a certain level of acclaim among motorcycle customizers, a lot of whom have turned to the Virago to satisfy their aftermarket needs. One such bike builder is Jacques Peters of Open Road Customs. In search of a rustic metal to turn into a custom bike, Peters tapped the services of noted Yamaha specialist Greg Hageman, who proceeded to point him in the direction of the Virago. Thus, the Virago Dirty Mexican was born. The Dirty Mexican is a far departure from what you'd expect out of a Virago. That's a credit to the exquisite work done by Peters and Open Road Customs. The whole point of the project was to turn the Virago into a quintessential piece of art, the kind of bike that exuded the aura of a machine that was everything the Virago wasn't. The first order of business was to give the bike a stylish bodywork that screamed of Peters' vision for the bike. Once that was taken care of, Peters and Open Road Customs enlisted the help of Sideshow Cycles to come up with custom fenders to help complement the bike's aesthetic appeal. The custom builder then added new off-road bars and slapped on a pair of rugged tires to enable the Dirty Mexican to ride in rough and tough terrain. Other new components like a new headlight, custom turn signals, and a new seat decorated to reflect Mexico's proud heritage, that includes tequila, apparently, complete the bike's dramatic makeover.